Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a beef and lamb stew. So my channel is all about budget meals, and today I've got some meat of this is lamb. So I've got lamb cutlets, and I've also have got a Y-bone piece of meat. It's a Y-bone steak. I'm going to cut the meat into just small chunks, and this is beef, that's Y-bone beef. So I'm just going to mix the lamb stew and the beef stew together, and I'll see how it goes, how it tastes. That's a Y-bone steak, so I'm just quickly cutting like this, and that is lamb cutlet. It's perfectly fine, guys, to mix two types of meat, lamb and beef, and it actually tastes good. I've cut the meat in like this, and then I am going to put in a plate and season my meat. Season with beef seasoning. So this beef seasoning is good, spices and salt. That's beef seasoning, about a tablespoon of beef seasoning, and then I am adding a teaspoon of black pepper. While that is seasoning, I'm going to mix through my seasoning and the meat. I don't need to marinate because this is a very quick dish I'm cooking after work. In a large pan, I'm going to add oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and then add my meat. I'm going to brown the meat until it's nice and brown, my desired color. So I'm going to brown the meat. And while the meat is cooking, I am going to dice one large onion. So one large onion. Just roughly dice the onion. Dice one large onion, and then I'm going to cut capsicum, 3/4 of a capsicum I've got here. And just roughly dice the capsicum also. And while that is cooking, I'm going to dice 3 carrots. Just roughly cut the carrots. Now I'm going to add my diced vegetables. The meat is looking good now and it's nice and brown. I'm going to add the vegetables that I've diced before. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of cayenne seasoning and a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of sweet paprika and then mixing through. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of tomato paste Now adding 2 cups of water. Two cups of water. Then I'm going to bring this to boil and simmer for more than an hour. Simmer on low heat on more than an hour. Then put a cover with a lid. Simmer for about 60 minutes, more than 60 minutes. And after 60 minutes, this is how my meat, my beef and lamb stew look like. This is a cheap meal, guys, so if you are looking for a budget friendly meal, this is something to consider. adding parsley just for to garnish. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your watching and supporting me. Thank you. Bye.